You can expect a lot from the 2018 BMW X1. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle combines dashing good looks with great efficiency and utility. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a rear window wiper, front fog lights, a power rear cargo door, a roof rack, and power windows. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive technology maintains a firm grip on the road. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.